This is welcoming you back to our channel. This is where you get all-inclusive information on migration abroad, infotainment, classic shows, healthy lifestyle, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that all-important notification. And to all our amazing returning subscribers, how else can we thank you? Absolutely no way. We just sincerely appreciate you being there always, and we can't thank you enough. So what are we discussing today? Let's get down to business. See you there.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you thinking about a fresh start in Europe? Look no further, your biggest opportunity is right here. In today's video we'll be telling you about the massive opportunity to move to Sweden, particularly as Sweden reduces its EU blue card processing time to attract skilled workers. In a move to bolster its workforce and attract top talent, Sweden has announced a significant reduction in processing times for EU blue cards. The new streamlined process aims to expedite the arrival of highly skilled workers, ensuring a quicker integration into the Swedish labor market. Sweden is the largest Nordic country and the fifth largest country in Europe. The capital and largest city is Stockholm. Sweden has a population of 10.6 million. Sweden has cut the EU blue card processing time from 90 days to 30 days for highly qualified professionals, making the country more attractive to skilled foreign workers and supporting its labor market needs. The faster processing also applies to intercompany transferee and researcher permits, helping Sweden onboard international talent more quickly and effectively address workforce shortages across various sectors. However, only complete and accurate applications are eligible for this expedited timeline. Incomplete applications may still experience delays, with processing times potentially extending up to 4 months. What are the exceptions to the new processing timeline? Sweden's new 30-day processing for the EU blue card is designed to expedite hiring for skilled foreign professionals, but it doesn't apply to all industries. Certain sectors, particularly those under Sweden's 4-tier assessment system, require extra scrutiny and therefore may still face longer processing times. This streamlined process primarily benefits sectors experiencing workforce shortages, enabling qualified professionals to start sooner and helping Sweden's businesses meet staffing needs. By cutting bureaucratic delays, Sweden aims to enhance productivity across key industries. Are there changes to salary requirements? Sweden is also working to reduce the EU blue card monthly salary threshold by around €866 as against €1,220 previously, aligning requirements with typical wages to make it easier for skilled workers to qualify for employment in the country. Lowering the salary requirement is vital for attracting foreign talent, making Sweden a more appealing option for highly qualified professionals worldwide. What are the occupations in demand in Sweden? There is a lot of demand for foreign workers in Sweden because of labor shortages in many fields. Shortages of skilled workers are seen mostly in education and teaching, information technology and software development, healthcare, hospitality, finance and accounting, sales and marketing, construction, engineering, manufacturing, and machine operations. The list of most in-demand jobs include primary school teachers, special needs educators, software developers, nursing assistants, midwives, specialist nurses, doctors, civil engineers, system analysts, IT architects, and so on. Foreign workers with skills in the above occupations will likely get a Swedish work visa. Who needs a visa to work in Sweden? Citizens of Switzerland, the European Union, and the European Economic Area are not required to have a work visa to work in Sweden. Individuals from other countries who are willing to work in Sweden require a work visa in Sweden. To obtain a Swedish work visa, the candidate must obtain a job offer with a minimum salary of €866 per month. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the massive opportunity to move to Sweden, particularly as Sweden reduces its EU blue card processing time to attract skilled workers. Hurry now and apply. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like, share and subscribe, then hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by email. And let's create this success story together. Thank you.